Good morning students. Let us continue our today's class with chapter 4, altitudes and medians of triangle. In the previous class we have studied practice set 4.1 and we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 of it. Today we will begin practice set 4.1 question number 4. So what is the question? Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter by O. Children, you know how to draw altitudes. So first of all, we will draw one obtuse angle triangle LMN in this way. And now we will start the altitudes of this triangle. So first of all, we will take the vertex M and we will draw altitude of it. Now what do you mean by altitude? Altitude means a perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. So from M towards side LM. So let us draw now. So here we will draw two arcs on side LM towards this side, and now we will draw one intersection arc from this arc and also from this arc. In this way, what we have done now, we have drawn a perpendicular from point M, that is from vertex M. So draw a dotted line from M. So this is a perpendicular which we have drawn from M. Now we want to draw a perpendicular from L. Now from L, which is the opposite side, MN is the opposite side. So here what we have to do first, we will extend this MN towards this side so that we can draw a perpendicular. So how to extend? Again we will draw one dotted line to show the extended line MN in this way, and now we will draw a perpendicular from L. From L, how to draw? Take the two arcs on side MN, towards side MN. So there will be arcs towards both the sides. Here is one arc and another arc is here. In this way we have drawn two arcs towards side MN, opposite side MN, and now we will draw from first arc towards the side of MN here, and from the second arc again one arc of intersection. In this way we will join L to this intersecting arc. In this way we have drawn one more altitude towards MN. So again we will draw by drawing a dotted line towards MN. So which is a perpendicular now? This side is perpendicular to MN. So now we have drawn from M also, we have drawn from N also. Now what we will do? We will draw a perpendicular from the vertex N. So again towards from N towards side LM, again we have to extend this LM below towards the side LM. So let us draw one extended line from M towards this side. This is one extended line towards M. So this line LM is extended now. Now we will draw perpendicular from the vertex N. So let us take two arcs towards side LM. In this way one arc is on this side, another arc towards this dotted line. Okay, these two arcs we have drawn. Now we will draw the arc, intersecting arc from this first arc and from the second arc. So where is the point of intersection? This is the point of intersection, and now we will join N to this intersecting arc. So here also we will draw a dotted line and we will join point N towards this intersecting arcs. Now so what we have done? We have drawn from N one perpendicular from L one perpendicular and from M also one perpendicular. So where is the point of intersection? To join that, we will extend this dotted line from M also. So here this is an extended line which we are extending towards it. So here we got one intersecting point. This point is our intersecting point and this is our orthocenter. What we have to show? Orthocenter by letter O. So we have denoted now. So in this way, let us give the name to the perpendicular. So from L we will give this name as perpendicular LA, and from M we will give this name as MB, and from N we will give this perpendicular as C. So NC or CN. So now we have drawn the construction part. So let us write the answer. So how to write the answer? See here. First, segment LA. Which is the segment? This is your segment. Segment LA is perpendicular to side MN. And how it is externally it is added. So that's why we have to write externally. Now next segment MB. Segment MB. This segment MB is perpendicular to which side? Side LN. So here we have written segment MB is perpendicular to side LN. Now the third side, that is this CN. Segment CN is perpendicular to side LM. LM is here up to here and we have extended towards this C, towards this side, below side. That's why externally we have to write in the answer. Side LM is extended, that's why externally. So segment CN is perpendicular to side LM externally. So these are the perpendiculars which we have drawn and they are all altitudes. So again we have to note down here, point O is the intersection of altitudes and point O is the orthocenter which is in the exterior of the triangle LMN. Okay children. So in this way we have drawn earlier also some altitudes of right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and acute angle triangle. So here in this question, practice set 4.1, the same question is repeated, so you can do it very correctly. Now we will do in the next video question number 5.